My name is Sérgio. I come from Lisbon, Portugal, and I'm one of the trainers here on this first training course of innovation in youth work. With design thinking, it's a methodology that it comes from design and the process that designers normally use to develop something. And it was adapted to be used in other contexts like social work or youth work. And that's what we're going to explain now, also to use design thinking in youth work and to be able to adapt it and to use it for everything. And this became more popular, this term, in the late 60s. And then it was further developed by different people that start talking about it and starting to try to understand how designers make products and how this could be used for different things. For also social work, for innovation, for using mostly in anything that we want nowadays. And we're going to also try to learn how to use it in youth work. The main focus will be always the person, okay, the people around it. And everything that will happen, you're going to see step by step. Always to have in consideration what the people need. Design thinking is based on two kinds of different thinking. One is the divergent. It means that opens, that we bring all the ideas, everything is valid. And then we switch to the convergent. It means that we start funneling and trying to select and filter the best ideas. And the process is always like this during the entire process of design thinking. Sometimes we open and sometimes we close, sometimes we open and sometimes we close. And that is done also by different stages of the design thinking, which come from observing and trying to understand the needs of the target group, having ideas and then telling a story about those ideas, and building a prototype, and then finally testing the prototype in order to get feedback and then repeat the cycle. But make a prototype, test it, go back to the board. Because this is the most important thing and it works with everything. Like for example, this prototype you said you already did it there in Finland, right? That it was a real example of an activity. It's the only way to know if it works. Because if we don't try it, we don't know. And that's why I also was saying when you were making the presentations, take the questions that people are making. Don't try to defend yourself. It's not about to defend, but really to make you reflect. Because maybe your idea is not so good as you think. But design thinking is only not a cycle, but they can mix between them. We can pass from prototyping to ideas again, or we can pass from observation to define the problems. So it's always this process that it's a flow.